leave us alone, please. Leave us alone.
Yes, please. You can take anything you want. Please,
please, shut up, young man. If you don't stop this, I will butcher you.
Is everybody here?
Yes. Take anything you want. Take everything in the house. But don't hurt
Everything in the house.
Don't hurt my family, please.
Anything.
Yes.
Lie down. Lie down. I said lie down. Lie down here. Lie down here.
Daddy, what's happening?
What's like this?
Hey, that's in bio. What's the most? Watch it. Did you hear that? It came from your house. Mommy. Mimi. Wait.
Mimi.
Mommy, I shot him.
You shot him. Mimi.
Hey, where are you?
Mimi. You shot him.
Where were you now?
You guys are really brave. By taking charge of the situation, you averted the disaster. Thank you, madam.
Thanks to Doom, sir.
Officer, please take them away. Just take them away.
You are very lucky to have such strong people around you. Take them away.
Take them away. Yeah, feet up. Oh, Sheffield.
Everybody hustle.
Seriously though, you women are awesome. Those guys didn't know who they were messing with.
Yes, I admit I was scared at first, but Mimi changed everything. Look at her. She was so brave. She gave me courage.
That's my girl, you know. Anyway, I'm proud of you guys, you know. But I am worried though. You need some sort of protection in this house.
Are you volunteering? We definitely need a man in this house.
Ma!
What? Don't even get me started.
Do you want him to move in?
A man was about to rape your wife. You couldn't do anything. If it went for Mimi, the story would have been different. You are asking me.
But you know I was about to.
Of course. Of course.
You've been giving me the silent treatment since I walked in here. You know it won't solve any problem. Why can't we move past this? I know you've been through some torrid times, but that's why I'm here.
I hear you. Now, can I finish my dishes?
Smile for me.
Sir, please, there's a man here for you. He says he's your in-law.
Who?
He says he's your in-law.
Let him in.
What's your name? It's nice to see you too, Mr. Simpson, but it seems we have a little problem. You know, I really wanted to play nice, but...
What?
You think I'm stupid? I don't know what you did?
What are you talking about?
I recognized your work as soon as I saw you in that restaurant.
What do you mean?
Don't play dumb. You set me up.
What are you insinuating, young man? What insolence?
I didn't expect you to admit it in the first place.
Listen, let me tell you something. You are not good for my daughter, and I don't want to see you near her again. I will do everything possible to keep you apart.
And I will do whatever it takes to stay with her. Listen, I wonder what your family would say if I tell them about your amorous exploits with that girl you set me up with.
Occupied? By who? I mean, what?
Babes, who's there?
I'm sorry.
Let me see here.
Exactly. They don't need to know, right? Good. Keep Mimi away from me again, and I am bringing Adelaide home. You understand?
We could have killed you in a second. But this is no killing mission.
What is this? Who are you?
Poha. You don't ask questions here, my friend. I ask the questions. Now, I'm going to ask you for one thing. And I need you to think long and hard about the answer. You see these men here? I have men swarming all over here. Now, the question. Where is the video?
What video?
Poha.
Okay. What? She sent you? How did you find me?
I have my own ways.
Threat. You came to threaten me? Over 10,000 Ghana cedis? Huh?
Of course not. But you are dangerously out of your league. Oha, drop the items.
Oh, boss.
Which one
Boss,
do you want to use?
Please. Oh, boss. Hey, please. Yes, sir. No, please. Hey, yes. Boss, please. Boss, the phone is on my lap. No, I mean the video is on my phone top. I mean my phone and my laptop is in my pocket. Oh, boss, why?
Confusion galore. Oha, go check it out. Confusion galore.
This is a 50-50 deal, can go. I mean, 5,000 for you, 5,000 for me, please.
Scums like you are what's wrong with the world. I'll take this. I hope you don't mind. Good boy. Oha, you got it? Good. If a hint of this video makes its way out, you know I will find you. Advice. Keep in your lane and continue playing your honky-tonk angle. Okay? Now, never, ever blackmail anyone again. Violence begets violence. Action and reaction are equal and opposite.
Get up!
Calm down. Remember when Sadia was abducted? Who helped us? Osofo. So you see, Osofo can be trusted. Everything is being taken care of.
It's not that I don't trust Osofo, but look, we've been here for so long and not a word from him.
Yes, it's Osofo. Osofo. Hello. Osofo. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you, Osofo. Yes, I'm with her. I'll let her know. Oh, God bless you. Osofo Joseph. God bless you. Okay. I'm sure you get the gist already.
Good news, right?
News!
Oh God, thank you. I'm so happy. Oh, we need to celebrate. Let me go get some wine. Oh, this thing was driving me crazy. Oh, thank goodness.
It's not over until it's over. You will hear from me.
Oh no.
What is it?
No.
What is it?
Another video of the same night.
What? Hey!
Has he identified himself?
No, not even a follow-up text message. He's been silent for days, and I'm terrified because I don't know what's coming next.
I really don't think it is Joe. I believe I gave him a good shake the last time. He wouldn't dare.
Are you sure?
I will give him a check, but I suspect another source.
She. Could anyone have taken the video from your phone?
No, I got rid of it right after showing it to Grace. I'm sure of that.
There is definitely a hand at play. But the question is, who is playing the puppeteer?
The man up there will reveal in his own good time. Yes. She, are you sure you don't want to invite the police into this?
No, Osofo. I'm really worried for my privacy if it should get into the hands of the police. I can't risk that.
Easy, baby. Easy, she. Anyone behind this is a professional. And I doubt if he will put it out there without profit. Give me up to the end of the day. Maybe I will find something.
I hope so. I really hope so.
I'll not fail this time.
That guy is my brother.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
This is for you.
For me? From who?
A fan of your work.
My work.
Have a nice day, madam. Goodbye.
Hello?
Miss me?
Joe?
I am whoever you want me to be, sweetheart.
Who's this?
Like he said, a fan of your work. What's the matter? Aren't you happy to hear from me? Huh?
Look, I don't have time for your games, okay? Just go straight to the point and just tell me what this is about. Do I know you?
Well, maybe you do, maybe you don't. Don't trust anyone. As for my motive, money, of course.
How much?
Just the 10,000. You refuse to pay me. I'm a nice guy, you know.
And just where do you want me to get that much?
Look, listen, lady. I'm not one to be toyed with, huh? I would not be taken down by mincely acts or mincely words, or any bunch of hooded goons. If I ask for 10,000, I am getting 10,000.
VVIP.
Somebody enter Kolo. That's all. Make her enter Kolo. Pass me the palm wine. Somebody enter Kolo. See everybody. Make you hold somebody. Drink and jolly. Tell me how you feeling. Is it sexual healing? Or you feeling irate? This what we they do da da di 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 do. Make you move your body where the music they go. Polo.
Somebody enter Polo.
And you never see.
Make I enter, make I go ahead. And if you know they feel my matter, Charlie, make you go away. I no get time, way I just go on through way. So make I bust a lyric, we go enter into your head. Kumbaya, on more fire. And I'll make the beat just take you higher. VVIP ever inspire. And you know, say Nadine never expire. Miss Polo. Uh-huh. Yeah, baby. Miss Polo. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Somebody enter.
Power one. Shit. Young Crab. Time to start now and just not follow. Time to go deep.